All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Grail Mark Antonazio. So we'll check the time, September 26th at 7:36 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have September 26th at 7:36 p.m. There is the list of our 35 entries. I'm going to get rid of that space there. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That'll work 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason's. Pod 13 is your winner. So, Jason, please get with me to collect your mark. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, September 26th, 7:37 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.